Today, we're diving into a critical topic, heat-related safety. As the warmer weather approaches, ensuring our safety becomes paramount, especially for those of us who spend a significant amount of time outdoors. Our discussion centers around policy in compliance with Oregon OSHA, aptly named Heat, Rest, Shade. This training aims to equip you with essential knowledge and practices to safeguard your well-being while working outside during rising temperatures. Whether you're a mobile maintenance technician, on-site technician, leasing agent, or even a property manager, understanding how to manage heat stress is crucial, not only for yourself, but also for any staff you may supervise. Let's explore our policy together to ensure we stay safe as the temperatures rise. We'll be covering a range of essential topics related to staying safe in the heat, from understanding heat-related illnesses to acclimatization strategies. We'll equip you with the knowledge and tools to protect yourself and others. We'll also delve into specific ways to safeguard against heat stress and the importance of watching out for our colleagues' well-being. Lastly, we'll outline our organization's policy on heat safety to ensure clarity and compliance. Let's begin by discussing heat exhaustion. Heat exhaustion is the first step to heat stroke. You might start to feel delirious, like SpongeBob over here, but overall, you'll probably just start to feel unwell. You may experience nausea, begin profusely sweating, feel extremely thirsty, and you may start to feel weak and dizzy. When you feel this way, it's critical to recognize these symptoms as heat exhaustion. You should move to a cooler area, drink water, remove layers, and increase your electrolytes with a sports drink. Focus on your health first, and when it feels safe to do so, contact your supervisor. Now, this is a little more serious. Donald is not doing well. He's on the ground, panting and faint. He's beyond SpongeBob's delirium, and he's in a really critical situation. With heat stroke, you may become extremely hot to the touch. You might even stop sweating. That's because your body is so dehydrated, it can't regulate its own temperature. The lack of sweating is actually so important here. When your body stops trying to cool itself down, your symptoms become much more severe. You may experience a throbbing headache, a rapid and strong pulse. You might even lose consciousness. It's imperative you and the people around you act quickly to cool your body down. Emergency services should be contacted immediately, as this condition is life-threatening. Another safeguard we can use to reduce the risk of the heat-related illnesses we just discussed is called acclimatization. This is the process by which our bodies gradually adjust to hotter temperatures. It's a natural adaptation that allows us to better tolerate heat exposure over time. As you'll see from the chart on the screen, our policy is to allow a 4-day period of acclimatization as recommended by Oregon OSHA. Now, let's explore some additional ways to keep ourselves safe from heat stress. According to the CDC and OSHA, when working in warmer weather, it's recommended to drink water every 20 minutes, even if you don't feel thirsty. Adding a sports drink can also help you stay hydrated. Our policy includes taking a 10-minute cooling break for every 2 hours you spend outside when temperatures reach 80 degrees. This gives your body a chance to cool down before reaching the point of heat exhaustion. And don't forget to dress appropriately for the heat. You're all welcome to wear work-appropriate shorts, t-shirts, and tank tops. It's also a good idea to use sun protection, like a hat and SPF. If you're not sure about your warm weather attire, feel free to chat with your supervisor. To recap our discussion, let's review Bluestone's policy. Staying hydrated is paramount. Bluestone provides water and sports drinks at our corporate office for all staff members. Additionally, you're authorized to use your Brex card to purchase cool water and sports drinks during hot weather. If you consistently work at 1 or 2 properties, Consider discussing with your supervisor the option of purchasing a case of water or sports drinks to have available throughout the summer. Remember, our cooling breaks are mandatory. Even if you don't feel overheated, it's crucial to take a break in a cool area for 10 minutes every 2 hours you're working outside. This could be in a cool vehicle, shop, vacant unit, or the interior of one of our properties. As discussed, work-appropriate warm weather attire is permitted. Lastly, Bluestone Maintenance highly recommends the use of our buddy system, endorsed by Oregon OSHA for staff who work independently. If you're a supervisor, consider pairing your staff together or acting as your staff member's buddy to do a periodic safety and wellness check every 2 to 3 hours. This can be done via text or phone call. If you have questions about our buddy system, feel free to reach out to our maintenance team for additional training or support. Thank you for your attention and commitment to safety throughout today's training. As we navigate the warmer weather ahead, let's remain vigilant in implementing the strategies and policies we've discussed. By prioritizing safety measures such as staying hydrated, recognizing the symptoms of heat-related illnesses, and utilizing the buddy system, we can ensure not only our own safety, but also the productivity and success of our team. Let's continue to support each other and maintain a culture of safety as we tackle the challenges of working in warmer weather. Together, we can make a difference and create a safe and productive environment for everyone.